Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to hop on real quick and say happy Thanksgiving to everyone who celebrated today. I hope that you all had a nice day. I hope that everyone had a great day. And I also wanted to share some of the swap things that I got. I got a huge box of things on my step the other day and I just haven't had a chance to do a video on it, but I wanted to show you what I got because this is amazing. So this is from Janice and she sent a little note along with all the stuff that she sent, and she said, I hope that you don't mind of the box full of stuff. And I can't believe how much stuff is in there. So thank you so much, Janice. Again, I'm not sure if she watches my channel, but I am going to post in the card making group that I got all this stuff, and I seriously can't believe how much stuff I got. So I haven't read this yet. I just opened it and put everything into the little bag that she sent me. So this is the card that she made, and she put a little personal note inside that, so I'll read that in a couple minutes. And then look at these. Look at how many cards she sent, and it's so cute, tied up in little ribbon. So I will untie this and I will show you guys the amazing cards that she does. I will put she put on the back of her card, it's her email address is on there, so I don't want to put that out there, but I will leave her information on there. She's Aunt Fanny's workshop. So, oh, this is pretty. And then I think she put envelopes with them. And then she did the inside. This is pretty. I don't normally use orange, but this is really, really pretty. Oh, these colors are gorgeous together. I feel like this might be Stampin' Up stuff, but I'm not positive. The inside of that's blank. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this is. Little snowman with the little snow on the hat. Oh my goodness. So cute. And this has like, it looks like it has a little bit of glitter to it. And she put this looks like, if you can see back there, the blue and orange thing, the corrugated thing. I think that's what she used on this. There's so many prints. Oh, this is so pretty. She has it in a card sleeve. That's so cool. I need to get one of these, the card sleeves. And then there's a little stamp sentiment inside. And this is pretty too. A lot of distress on this one. Distress ink, distress oxide. That's kind of what was in when I first started card making. And then the punches on the inside, that looks like maybe Martha Stewart punches, because Martha Stewart had the corner rounder punches and then ones that cut out the whole side to match years ago. And it looks like she watercolored this, maybe with some distress oxides, distress inks and little pearls. This is just really, really pretty. Like these are the kind of cards that I have a hard time with, the clean and simple cards. Oh my goodness, more distress. These are like vintage looking. So cool. Look at that. These are definitely, it says a note of thanks on the inside. This is so, I love this style, but this is so opposite of what I do. I tend to do like the cutesy character things, and this one is very a lot of her stuff feels very vintagey. I love it. Oh, I love these stamps. I wonder where she got them from. I'll have to ask her. These are really cool suitcase stamps. And then it says, may happiness touch your life today as you have so often touched the lives of others. So I wonder if she does use Stampin' Up stamps. This is pretty. Okay, so she cut a piece out of the front, and this looks like maybe vellum on the inside that she heat embossed and colored, maybe with Copic markers behind it. I think that might be it. Oh, this is cool. God bless you. Okay. And then here is this one, the floral. And then it says, let's get together and giggle. That's really, really pretty. And then this, I guess, is my other card. So another with sympathy. This one wasn't bundled. So in the card swap, you're supposed to do 2 cards to swap with each other. This one was, I think this was the Christmas one. I'm not exactly sure. I can't remember. Okay, so for all my goodies, here is a pack of Post-it notes. There's some die cuts. The girls will love all of this stuff. And we have these really pretty butterfly dies. This is from Impression Obsession. Some petals. These are like silk petals. The girls will definitely get, oh, this is really pretty paper. I'm not sure what kind of paper this is. But you put a bunch together, like cards, and then maybe card bases? Envelopes, it looks like card fronts. Oh, it looks like maybe 5x7s and A2 size cards. I'll have to open that up and look. Like I said, I haven't looked at this stuff yet. I just kind of put it back into the bag. Okay, and then stickers. Oh my god, the girls are gonna love stickers. These are Doodle Bugs stickers. And oh, look at these leaves. Let me take one of these out to show you guys. These are so delicate. They're so, oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Okay. And then, oh my goodness, a ton of photo mats. There's ovals, and there's 7 of the pearlescent mats and 2 of the die cuts. So there are ovals and then rectangles, and then you have some of the pearlescent mats. So cool. Girls will love this stuff. Oh my goodness. So there's a ton of die cuts in here. There's a happy birthday. It looks like cards or like pieces for the cards. So much in here. I guess it's gonna take me forever to go through this stuff. And then this is chiffon ribbon. The girls are going to freak with this stuff. These will go into their bins. Oh, some baker's twine. So pretty. And then this is from Santa's Workshop stamp set. Okay. And then we have some Tim Holtz crinkle ribbon. This is the ribbon I think that you can dye a different color, so I'm gonna have to try this out, like seam binding kind of. Oh my goodness, more of the baker's twine, kind of baker's twine that has like, can you see the gold through it? Oh, so pretty. Ooh, this looks like a roll of the tape. I wonder if this is ATG tape. I wonder if I can use that in my ATG. I'll have to try that out. Elmer's glue, the girls will love that. And then a ton of glue sticks. So these will definitely get used because the girls absolutely, they go through these things like crazy. They love to glue. It's like when the Bonnie from Mom says, I love to laminate. The girls love to glue things. I think that's everything that was in there. Oh my goodness. This was so much. I can't believe how much stuff was in there. So thank you so much, Janice. Very much appreciated. And that's everything that I got. That's a ton of stuff. I'm going to have to go through it and divide the stuff out and put stuff in girls' bins because they love getting new art supplies. And I always have to constantly get new stuff for them. So now I don't have to. So now we got a bunch of other things. So thank you so much, Janice. It's much appreciated. And I will link, again, put the Facebook group in the more information section if you guys are interested. Like I said, we're done doing swaps until next year because it's going to get very hectic with Christmas card making and, you know, the holidays and everything now that Thanksgiving, you know, was here today. And so it's just a lot. So we are going to start up again in January. So mid-December, there will be signups for the January one. You usually get about 2 weeks to do your cards and mail them out. You don't have to do international. You can pick, like mine, I just say that I only want to be swapped with somebody in the United States. So it is like, it usually costs me about 70 cents to mail the 2 cards. I will usually do 2 A2 size cards and stick them in a 5x7 card envelope, and it will cost me 70 cents to send the 2 cards with a little letter in there. Obviously this cost her a little bit more to send all this stuff. You don't have to send anything extra. The swap is just 2 cards. Everything else is much appreciated, but not absolutely necessary. So I'll leave that information below so you guys can check that out if you're not already a member of it. And if you guys have stuck with me for this long to see everything, I just wanted to say thank you to you all. You guys have made this year a lot more bearable. Sorry, that's Lucy. She's going to be in every single one of my videos. You guys have made this year a lot more bearable. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for commenting, liking, interacting, subscribing. It really does, you know, it's very heartwarming to see people comment on your videos because a lot of hard work goes into it. So I love the thumbs up, I love seeing the views, but most of all, I love the comments from you guys, and I try to comment back on everybody's. So thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. And with that, I will see you guys again real soon for another video. There is going to be a Team Tiny Hop on Saturday. It is slimline cards for Christmas, so I have to get working on that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sign off now, and I'll see you again real soon.